ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Myntri ka Sorkar jela ba polling do ulong ba kalong ko Beaiñ ki pat ba ban kem bat ban Ktah yigi Suba Nongdih Drok. Hagajing krem bikilar patai ku bor ka artri unai lur arajar pausan. Ba polu laong ba ka bu jing maru ba ikin nugi bril ban chuta lasi ka met jong bril plus Suba badegi Nongdih Drok namar bagi tap bagi ternya injection ki belaban penyebet ikin nugi jajing pang.
Pi kani kadai kamat ka bangi shim khyaba ka ba ngi habban smutu kalong ba kini ki jingja ki pau bagi la khambun menta ka we shwa kadai ba ka ngi em ha ka digital age ka ba man ubri udan ka mobile phone prasnem postnem menshwa kamlong kumta ti ka crime ka ja kat bajaru kalong unreported Hendrai menta beriu syat surak ring real te kebut information kebut kudo pi hang tu kan kepai ke news mo menshwa ki syat surak lagi sepak ngot ha por Christmas por New Year kira gi shnong ba mlaj ya nanti bagi beriu ki syat surak rai menta ki syat lain ngot ring real kat nunggu ki ring video kat nungot kawai shwa kata kabar kajing dei bat kajing jur jong kene ke crime ngila keren sai ba ngidon kam ya ke community based approach kaba ki snong ki dor wa snong kim dei tang banlong ki complainant kim dei tang banlong ki nong mudoi ni pan ru ya kajing ya trelang ka jongki ngala da penbanaten ya kani ba ngi kwa bat ngala da penlong ru kajing kedu bat ki dor wa snong ba ngi kwa ban kentup buan ki snong khabtam hasor ba khabsor kepada ka hotspot jong kene ka Drok menace ngila ongi ki bakin wan chakhmat hadu bentara sengi hasil luang ka population kala tam ya kan nriulak kidan tangkhat waitli gi registered VDP khat waitli ti kajing siu kajungi ki volunteers ru mentang ngila siu hakador ka naka praspa tinggal mentang la poi lai hajar tinggi community ba kinyawan chakhmat namar lada ki dorwas nong kiwan chakhmat ban kersan lingba ka VDP kedai ke ba yatrai lang bat ka police department ka bamut ba no uba kem uba ajing tip japang kinong supply bat kinong kai drugs uyo ru ya ka jingada jong ka aj kabaja menta kabaki don ki brio ki balik ban kem hi dalade kilik handle hi dalade ki SOP ke baki keyboard ke protokol ke baki keyboard pilik Ktah ayu brio uba bat syringe ha tuju syringe ula ban infect epi apa kniat minute you tu balik ban kem ki drugs ki bat ru brio ba kem kalau ada hak possession cung tu beri tu drugs pimla cuba kena bau ni we de bodi bobat utau de wadan hak ti cung utau de bodi kita ki brok hak nak terang ban biang ni bagi don kam ba kisnong kidor basnong kinwan chakmat ye kloi ban ye kersan lang yaki bat ya kene keju ke jing terwa ngapen teman minta kesengi bat ngakhat ngawer ye kidor basnong bakin wan chakmat bat ngin ai ya kini kejing kersan ke bawah long kitar ki uniform ki bat kumjuk kejing siu bat gimdan kamru bakin don barat chiski hasurok gimdan kami ki tek tangkat kum kepur bat kejing tawa jo bakam. See, this kind of activism will not help. It will only defeat the very purpose of us trying to tackle the menace of drug trafficking. As you can see, the ANTF is now a totally dedicated police force led by an SP with its own vehicles and trained personnel. Areas which have not been covered by them in the past, for instance, the cantonment area, Yodo, our ANTF guys are there almost on a daily basis. And for somebody to actually physically go ahead and catch hold of suspected peddlers, that itself is illegal, and it also risks the health of the person who actually can come into contact with contaminated syringes and stuff like that. But we have a scheme which I have shared with the Parshnongs. We had a very well attended meeting at the NEC building at Nongdih Hills, where all the major Parshnongs of Shillong had attended, and we appealed to them to avail of the VDP scheme, Village Defence Party, which is a legal entity, which will also give them legal coverage and protection, and which works in tandem with the police department. We have revised and enhanced the cash incentive from 800 rupees to 3,000 rupees per month. And these volunteers need not be on the roads, on the streets, on the lanes 24/7. They will only assess the police department with information and giving us leads. So we have done that. We have also, till today, detained 6 repeat offenders under the PITS and DPS, where they will be detained for a period of 1 year, which is extendable if they are found to be repeating the crimes. So these are all major initiatives that the government has taken. And I would again appeal, as of date, we have just 11 VDPs in Shillong, a city that has now a population that has crossed 5 lakhs, close to 6 lakhs plus. So for a population of 6 lakhs to have just 11 VDPs, because we need information sharing. We need, and we have also the dream mission. And recently, you might recall, I have visited the ANTF office, and we have given cash incentives also to their personnel, 10,000 rupees per volunteer, which has not happened in the past. So these are major initiatives. Through you, I would appeal to the Dorvashnongs to come forward, take advantage of the offer of the state government, because this is not us versus them. This is not government versus the people. This is the people with us together tackling the menace of drugs.
But Bapal,
Yeah, make this your last year.
yeah, last question. Bapal, this manhandling or this catching this drug addicts or the drugs peddlers by individuals or organization, don't you think that it weakens the law? Because
I have just said that. I have shown you instances why it not only is illegal, it also weakens our effort to tackle, because you need professionals. You can't tackle drugs by going on this vigilantism, because, for instance, when you catch drugs from someone's possession and take hold of those drugs, they are now under your possession. So you become the accused.